Today we're going to sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Do you want to help me? All right, let's go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat slowly down the creek. If you see the swimming mice, don't forget to squeak. Squeak, squeak. Row, row, row your boat, swish and splash and splatter. If you see the monkey swing, don't forget to chatter. What's the monkey say? Oh, oh, ah, ah. Yeah. Row, row, row your boat through the narrow gap. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to snap. Snap, snap. Row, row, row your boat past the old tree stump. If you see the elephant, don't forget to trump. Row, row, row your boat closer to the shore. If you see the lion smile, don't forget to roar. Row, row, row your boat, watch the tiger prowl. If you see his mighty pounce, don't forget to growl. Row, row, row your boat beneath the sky so blue. If you see the singing doves, don't forget to coo. Coo, coo. Row, row, row your boat, now it's getting dark. If you see the mommy dog, don't forget to bark. What's the doggy say? Bark, bark. Nice work. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Wearily, 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 snuggle up and dream.